it is Chastity Elise and I am back for another video. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing for Dolce & Gabbana sneakers. I know I mentioned previously in another video that as far as spending like a lot of money on shoes, that's not like spending a lot of money on like designer shoes and stuff like that. Like, I'll get Nike. I feel absolutely comfortable wearing Nikes out. But when it comes to getting designer stuff, I'm a lot more particular about it just because it costs a lot more. Like, you're talking about maybe $100 or something for sneakers versus almost $300, $600, $1,000. You know, you start going up. And I'm just kind of like, well, if I buy these sneakers or if I buy these shoes, I'm not going to wear them that often, because considering how much I paid for them, I'm like, I don't want to mess them up. By the same token, you have people that are on the other side of the spectrum. They're like, I spent all this money on these shoes. I am going to wear them until I cannot wear them anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up these sneakers. I bought these sneakers specifically for my project, so I do plan to wear them after. That's why I got the color. When you all see it, that's the reason I got the color that I purchased. What? So it's got black tissue paper in it. All right, so this is, all right, so this is the box for the shoes. Let's see. Got this little thing. I'm assuming it's care instructions. It's my assumption. It says this item is entirely handmade. Any irregularities are typical of the craftsmanship, which makes a product unique and should not be considered defects. So I was reading like one of the other languages, and I could definitely tell there was something in the wording about defects for sure. So yeah, so more or less just saying that it's handmade and each product is going to be unique, and if you see anything that is different, then don't consider it a defect. Consider it just something unique to your particular item. So at the end of the day though, who really wants to be a copy? Who wants to be a copy when you can be unique? I take unique any day. So it has this little satin pouch in there. So this kind of reminds me of, if you all saw the unboxing of the Giuseppe shoes, kind of reminds me of that. Okay, and then here are the actual shoes. So I just got something like, I'm a pretty low-key person, so like for me, I don't have to walk around with, like, they have some shoes where it actually has like Dolce, and then on the other shoe has Gabbana on the front. But like for me, I don't necessarily need something that stands out like that. So I just got something like super subtle, and it's just got the name on the back of here. So that's what I did. I just got something that's like really just subtle and like really low key. So it's like I'm not drawing attention to myself. I don't necessarily like doing that. But yeah, so on the bottom of the shoe, it has right here, it's got Dolce & Gabbana and made in Italy on the bottom. So, and I'm gonna try these on, and then it's got the same thing on the inside. On the inside right there. Y'all may or may not, you all may or may not be able to see it, but I'm gonna try shoe on and just make sure the shoe fits. If the shoe fits, wear it. So yeah, I know it does not match anything I have on. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna change socks because the socks I have on are kind of thick. So I think I probably need to wear something that's a little bit thinner. So I'm gonna be right back. On here. I didn't even realize it had this, but it's got on the side some details about the shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. And I normally wear a size 6, 6.5. So I got this, hopefully it fits. I got this in a size 36. So I'm really hoping that it fits. Okay, so they fit. Success. I don't necessarily care for the socks that I have on with them, but you know, I'm doing this more so for trying them on purposes, just to make sure that they at least fit my feet. So that's the main thing. I just want to make sure that they fit my feet. Okay. So I officially have my shoes on. All right, so disregard my socks. These were like the only thin ones that I could find right now. And also my room is a hot mess. So yeah. All right, so these are the shoes right here. The top view. This one's kind of bulging a little bit. Ugh. Yeah, so that's the top view of the shoe. And then that's a side view. And then if you're looking at the back, the back of it. So, yes, sir. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited for these shoes, and I cannot wait to officially wear them. Even though I got them on now, it's not quite the same. Like I have a whole outfit that I put together to go with this. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how the shoes and just the entire thing just kind of pulls together. Thank you all again for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video.